There's a truth about life so uncomfortable that most people would rather stay miserable than face it. It's not something they teach in school. It's not something people post online. And once you understand it, you can never unsee it. Most people aren't failing because life is unfair. They're failing because they're protecting a lie that feels safe. Think about the last time you felt disappointed in yourself. Not angry, not sad, just quietly disappointed. Maybe it was late at night. Maybe you were scrolling. Maybe you were alone with your thoughts. You remember the promises you made to yourself years ago, the version of you that believed things would be different by now. And for a moment, you felt that heavy realization. I'm living a life I said I wouldn't accept. That moment didn't break you. You buried it, and you went back to routine. That's where most people lose their future, not in failure, but in avoidance. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your life is the result of what you tolerate. Not what you want, not what you dream about, what you tolerate. You tolerate bad habits. They stay. You tolerate average effort. Average becomes normal. You tolerate excuses. Growth disappears. People say they want change, but they protect the habits that destroy them. Because changing hurts. Changing costs comfort. Changing forces you to admit that the problem was never luck. It was choice. And the brain hates that idea. So it creates stories. I'll start when things slow down. I just need motivation. I'm different. Those stories feel good, but they quietly keep you exactly where you are. Growth begins the moment you stop negotiating with your weakness. If you want your life to actually change, not temporarily, but permanently, do this. 1. Identify what you're tolerating. Ask yourself honestly, what habit do I know is hurting me? What behavior do I keep excusing? What comfort am I choosing over progress? Clarity is painful, but it's powerful. 2. Remove the option to escape. Most people fail because quitting is always an option. Make discipline automatic. Fixed wake-up time. Non-negotiable work window. One daily hard task. When there's no debate, there's no weakness. 3. Stop waiting to feel ready. Ready is a lie your comfort zone invented. Action creates confidence. Confidence never comes first. Move before you feel ready. Every time. 4. Replace motivation with identity. Stop asking, how do I feel today? Start asking, what does the disciplined version of me do right now? Identity beats emotion every single time. 5. Accept boredom. Real growth is boring. Repetition, consistency, silence. The people you admire didn't win because they were excited. They won because they stayed consistent when nothing felt rewarding. One day, you'll realize the truth that scares most people. Your life didn't change when circumstances improved. It changed the moment you stopped tolerating who you were. And that decision, that quiet, uncomfortable decision, is where your real life begins. You don't need a new life. You need higher standards.